everyone! In this video, you will learn about German Jobseeker visa. Please do not take these opportunities for granted. We are bringing you multiple visa options to help you move to your dream country. After COVID-19, European countries are facing a huge labor shortage in almost every profession. And we are here to provide you 100% authentic information about available opportunities of employment, education, and immigration. So if you are new to the channel, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with every new upload. Coming back to the German Jobseeker visa. Now this is great opportunity who wish to move to Europe because for Jobseeker visa, there's number 1, no language requirements. Number 2, no job offer required. Number 3, you don't need German education. Number 4, visa success ratio is quite high after COVID-19. And number 5, the whole process of application can be done online. Now what you will get if you watch the video till the end? Complete information German Jobseeker visa, eligibility criteria and requirements, documents required for application, how to apply for Jobseeker visa, and finally, you get some extra tips from a local that can boost your visa chances. So let's first define Jobseeker visa. As the name suggests, it's a visa that allows you to stay and look for a job in Germany for the period of 6 months. Please keep in mind you are not allowed to work in Germany on a Jobseeker visa. Once you get a job, you need to apply for the work visa to start work legally. This is a temporary residence visa that allows you to live and hunt for a job in Germany. And let's suppose, if you are unable to secure a job in the period of 6 months in Germany, you won't be allowed to stay in the country. This is why you need to make a solid plan on how you can find the job. And trust me guys, it won't be a problem. As I mentioned earlier, after COVID-19, there is a huge shortage of skilled workers in whole Europe. All you need to do is take a step further and grab a chance to move to Europe. Now let's talk about the eligibility criteria for Jobseeker visa. Now talking about educational requirements, you need to have at least a bachelor's degree to be eligible for German Jobseeker visa. If you have a bachelor degree from any other country, then you need to get a certificate of equivalence from kmk.org. You can find this website link in the description as well. Second requirement is you need to have at least 5 years of work experience. Third requirement is your financial well-being. Same like Sweden, you have to prove that you have enough funds to support your stay of 6 months in Germany. You have to show these funds in a blocked account. If you want to know how to open a blocked account in Germany, link to the video is in the description. You can even provide your bank statement that shows enough funds to support your stay in Germany, or you can provide a letter of sponsorship from your friends or family who live in Germany. Talking about the amount required to support your stay, you need to have at least 750 euros per month as a personal support fund. Keep in mind this is a minimum amount. I would highly recommend you to have extra money in your bank account. It will increase your chances to get a visa. Additionally, you need to have travel insurance for your entire stay. You can buy travel insurance from your home country or from Germany. Choice is yours. Keep in mind, it must be evident in your insurance papers that it covers the COVID-19 treatment as well. Now let's talk about the documents you need to apply for German Jobseeker visa. Correctly filled and signed application form. Valid passport. 3 passport-sized photographs. Your academic documents including equivalent certificates if you have any. Your experience certificates, your resume, proof of accommodation, travel insurance, proof of funds, your personal identity documents, for example, birth certificates and ID card, English translations of your documents if they are not in English. Another very important document, cover letter, or call it a purpose letter. In this letter, you have to explain your action plan, like how you will find a job and what you will do if you fail to find a job. These are the 2 most important questions that you have to answer in your cover letter, and any other relevant documents that can support your application. Now let's learn how to apply for German Jobseeker visa. First, you need to book an appointment with the German embassy in your country or the country where you have been living in the past 6 months. and deposit your application fee, which may vary depending on your nationality or where you're applying from. Now let's understand the visa application processing time. As per the German embassy, it may take anywhere from 4 to 6 weeks to receive a job seeker visa. Now it's time for some extra tips. Start hunting for a job online from the day one when you finally decide to apply for this visa. And you can use LinkedIn, Indeed, and Sing for job search. Because if you get a job offer while sitting in your home country, you may apply for a work visa directly with almost the same documents, same visa fee, and even with the same application process. If you come from a profession where customer dealing or direct interaction with people is mandatory, I would highly recommend you to learn at least a medium level of German language. And if you're from IT, then language would not be a problem. Last but not the least, do not forget to expand your living budget. Although the minimum requirement is 750 euros, the more you have, the better the chances are. There you have it, guys. The complete detailed information and process of German job seeker visa. Links to all the relevant websites and documents are in the description. Please do not forget to check them out. And as always, let me know if you have any question. I will be happy to be a help. Take good care of yourself and we will see you in the next one.